Hi there, I'm Dennis, Head of Culinary and Development at Classic Deli. For Easter, I'm going to show you how to make an easy and simple chocolate egg. So, first step, we will temper the chocolate. With every bag of chocolate that you will buy from Valrhona, you will have on the side of the packaging the instructions on how to temper chocolate. Okay? Crystallization. So I will pour 2/3 of the chocolate onto the table. I will keep 1/3 warm for step 3. When my chocolate on the table reaches between 29 and 28, step 3 is to bring the temperature back to between 31 and 32. So I'm adding the warm chocolate that I had on the side into the chocolate which is at 29. It's best to add a little bit at a time, not too much. After your chocolate is tempered, you obviously have a dirty table. A quick trick on how to clean a table is a few drops of oil and then